Hi there, my name is Mark and welcome to the Man Cave. Now the sun is out, it's a nice sunny day, so there's absolutely no reason why we shouldn't take the 308 out for a nice little drive. Finally. Well, this is the first time she keeps idling without me pushing the pedal. Doesn't really sound great, but hey, it's a start, right? 3-4 minutes in, she's still running. Still running. Starting to, how you call it, open up a little bit. So we're gonna back her up, see if we can do that. And what happens when we do that. And then I'm always a little bit nervous coming out of the garage. The mirror's like useless and there are like leaves everywhere. Okay, still doing well. Maybe, just maybe, it helps just to be patient, if you know what I mean. When I'm lacking fuel, that car is going to be expensive. I can't believe this lacking fuel. I haven't driven like, no, that can be. Well, let's get some heat in the engine. Close the garage up and then we go for a nice little drive, find a spot for a little photo shoot, maybe, yes, of course, and then I'm gonna pick up my oldest daughter because yeah, she is at a party, the kids party, so we're gonna have to pick her up, and that's a nice little drive. So I figured, well, the sun is out, why just not take the Ferrari? I love it. Yeah. But the fuel gauge is out. That's annoying. Well guys, I just got some gasoline and you know, she woke up. She really woke up. She suddenly feels like the way I'm used, if you understand what I mean. Wow, this thing is awesome. I'm in a traffic, I can't drive hard, but I shouldn't because the engine, but feels so good. Woo-hoo-hoo. So hot. Yeah, baby. Okay, I just parked her up. Just take some photos. Beautiful surrounding. Yep, okay. Yeah, you're gonna see it. We're gonna park her up for some photos, nice shoot. Then we're gonna put the GoPro on the car, and then we're gonna pick up my little girl from her party. Yes, sir. And oh, I love this machine. Yeah. So we got the GoPro on its place. We got some nice shots. A nice little biker gang that came driving by. I love it. Let's go to the little girl. Sounds good, feels good. There's a little, I think she's a little bit low on oil. We lost so many probably, but it's so good. She makes me really, really happy. Yeah man, this is the life. This is the life. It really is. Oh, just put the camera in a proper position. I love it. tunnel. Well, we're home, sweet home, and let's wake up the girls. Well, this is it, a nice little drive. I'm all warmed up, sweaty, smelly, yeah, and my shoes, perfect, really perfect. You should buy this one, yes, you should really. If you have a car like this, you should need shoes like these. I love it. Thank you for watching. See you again next time, and hey, goodbye.